So this is a taper grip bushing. We get a lot of questions on how this works. It's unique to Sumitomo as far as I know. So this will screw into a BBB or HBB. These are size specific. This is your shaft board from your connection shaft. So this has to be, it's based on whatever size that you provided to us. So how this guy works, it's like tightening up a bolt. But we have right in there, there's a split. So this split stays open, right? You see how that's open. And then when we screw this in, right, you slide the gearbox onto your shaft. And then we have a thrust collar. This goes up against the face of the gearbox. And then we have these bolts that we tighten up. And this, as we tighten up the bolts, it draws the bushing across the shaft, and these splits here, or slits, they go away. They collapse onto your shaft. That's what gives it the grip. And we always preach about there has to be a gap here. I've exaggerated, but the minimum is 1 millimeter. And that is so when you loosen it up, we can knock the bushing back this way, and bam, it releases against the threads, and then you can unscrew it or you can slide the gearbox off. But that's how a taper grip bushing works. We got threads, we got a slit, we're trying to collapse it onto your shaft. These guys work great.